Hello students, welcome to our study sessions. Myself Mrs. Swati Mure, teaching at Shri DJD English School, Kolhapur. In today's session, we are going to see Standard 8 English first poem, Unit 1, poem number 1.1, A Time to Believe. The name of the poem itself suggests that we are going to see something nice, something interesting. Okay, so before going directly to the poem, let me tell you one thing, that whenever we are going to study henceforth from this year poem in poetry section, we must divide the poem in 3 sections, and these 3 sections are reading, explanation and analysis. How these 3 sections we are going to take today, let's see one by one. Reading of the poem is very important, highly important, because through reading only you can know the emotions of the poet, the feelings the poet wants to convey. You can know through the reading only, just by looking at the poem or just by writing down the questions and answers of the poem. You will never understand the poem. So it is highly important to read the poem in a rhythmic way. Not only just reading anyhow, reading also must be in a rhythmic way. So for the free verse poems, we cannot apply any rhythm, but we can read to at least. And for the poems which have certain rhyme scheme, we can apply there some rhythm. Do remember this thing. Then explanation of the poem, in which we are going to see the meaning of the poem along with some information about the poet or poetess, whoever is there. Then third section, which is highly important, that is analysis of the poem. This analysis will help you to write the appreciation of the poem. This year you are having this appreciation of the poem. I think that is new chapter for you. Might have studied earlier, no problem, but still it's very nice and interesting topic to write the appreciation of the poem. And for that appreciation, this analysis will certainly help you, I am sure. So can we proceed? Okay. First section of today's session in the poem, A Time to Believe, is reading of the poem. So we all are going to read the poem together. Shall we start? Okay. A Time to Believe poem is written by B.J. Morgenson. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of a stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand. For it is through their teachings we learn to love. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. So believe and believe in yourselves, in the Lord. Okay, so this was first section, reading of the coin. Now let's proceed to the next section, that is explanation of the coin. We'll take the explanation line by line in detail. Okay. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. We should believe that never ever life stops anywhere. There is always a next time. As I always tell you, there is always a next time. There is no end of anything. Sometimes we may feel that, oh, it's a huge problem for me. I cannot start again my life. So should we end up our life there? No. There is always a new beginning. But when this will be possible? If you believe. So believe, that is important word. That every day is a new beginning. You can begin your life newly from any day. Okay, till now I could not achieve anything. I was an unsuccessful fellow. I was a loser. So should I live my life? No. I can say that, okay, it's okay. This patch was poor for me in my life. I can stop here. From tomorrow, I can begin again my life. So every day is a new beginning. To believe is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. If we dream something earnestly, if we dream something from the deep of our heart, from the bottom of our heart, and if we believe in ourselves, the dreams will 100% come true. Anyway, the situation might be. There may be problems, but there are always solutions. Do believe this one. So miracles happen in life. Miracles happen in life. Miracles means what? Some surprising, magical things in life. We don't even think of such things. But someday we get some nice surprise, excellent, beautiful. That is a miracle only. Okay. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds. Have anybody seen till now the angels? The angels is an inanimate thing, imaginary. Nobody has seen the angels anywhere. But still, if you believe that there are angels dancing in the cloud. Now who are the angels? Angels means the messengers of God. They just convey your message to the God. If you are in bad situation, bad condition, in a problem, they convey your problem to God and God sends the solution. So they are the middlemen, angels, messengers of God. So if you believe that there are messengers in the dancing among the clouds to know the wonder of a stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. We have seen this man in the moon poem last time. So there is certainly some man in the moon who is watching us. So we should never say that I am all alone here, I can do anything. Nobody is watching me. No, certainly the Lord is watching us. So we must be very, very honest to ourselves. Not to any other person, to ourselves. Okay? You all are. We should believe that. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us. All strength of the universe and courage lies within us. Everyone on this planet has this strength. As Swami Vivekananda ji had said, that you can do anything and everything if you believe in yourself. So believe in yourself, nothing is impossible for you, everything is possible for you. So you can find the strength and courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. Sometimes in life we go through such conditions, such situations that we are broken from inside, from outside. We are totally broken. We don't know what to do ahead. we are in depression, we are very sad, and we don't know what to do next. We look at other people that somebody may come, somebody may help me in such situations. But what the poet says, that if you believe in yourself, that help from outside, you do not need that. You can help yourself only from overcoming such type of situations, to overcome such type of situations in your life. Because you know the proverb that God helps those who help themselves. So everything is within us. We have to just take out from us, our mind, our heart. So be brave, be courageous, and be strong also to handle any type of situation. To believe is to know we are never alone. Sometimes some person, so and so, may lose everyone around him or her. That time certainly a depression situation in which he may be depressed too much. He may think that, oh God, I am alone in this world. What can I do? Why should I live this life? I should quit because I am alone. But have you thought one second? Such person is telling God that he is alone and requesting him that, please, I want to quit. But if the God is there, how can he be alone? Is it possible? So nobody in this world is alone till there is God. So you must believe in the existence of God, and you should think that I am not alone. God is always with me. God is always with me. If we have that much faith, belief in ourselves, nothing is impossible. That life is a gift, and this is our time to cherish it. God has gifted us such a precious gift. Life. A nice living life God has gifted us. Why should we worry about other things? No other gift or no other thing in the life is more valuable than life itself. So how should we live this life? Crying all over the time or thinking negatively? How? We should live our life with as much as possible positively. We should develop in ourselves a positive approach towards life. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen on your doorstep. There are many surprises for you, nice, wonderful, happy surprises. But you should believe in yourself for that. If you don't believe, you can ignore those and you can go out just from the side of that surprise. So believe that wonderful surprises are waiting for us in life. And all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. All our hopes and dreams, whatever hopes we have, whatever dreams we have, whatever we want to do in life, everything is possible only if you believe. So from today onwards, I hope that all of you will believe in yourself and you will develop a positive approach towards life. Okay, I also hope that all have understood the poem. If not, you can text me anytime. We'll take one more session of this poem explanation section. Okay, now the third section of today's session is analysis of the poem. In the analysis, we are going to see these 6 points. First point is title. The title of the poem is A Time to Believe, which is an inspirational poem which encourages to develop positive approach in our mind. Second is poet. The He was an English poet, B.J. Mortimer, and he has written many inspirational poems. Then structure and stanzas. If you can see here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 stanzas all around in this poem. Every stanza carries 4 lines. So what is the structure of the poem? The poem is built in 6 stanzas of 4 lines each. Next is rhyme scheme. Now do you find any rhyming words in this poem? No. There are no rhyming words in this poem, and such type of writing style of poems is known as free verse poems. What are they known as? Free verse. There is no rhyming words, there are no rhyming words, and hence there is no rhyme scheme also for such type of poems. It is known as free verse poems. Next is figures of speech. Now based on this figures of speech section, we are going to take one more separate session of figures of speech next time, so that you can understand the figures of speech all clearly and without any doubt. Each and every line we will take explanation of this, and will try to understand this figures of speech section. Last one is implied meaning. Meaning hidden meaning of the poem. Even though it seems the words may seem very casual, it's not. The meaning is inspirational. The poet wants to inspire you all through his poem. Okay, this was all about today's section of study standard 8, a time to believe. And I believe that you have understood it